We voted to raise the minimum wage and require paid sick leave, but now that could be overturned by the Missouri Supreme Court. They heard arguments today in a lawsuit that claims Prop A is unconstitutional. Our Missouri Capitol reporter Hannah Falcon listened to the arguments in the courtroom today.
The state's highest court is now weighing whether to overturn a vote of the people. Several business groups brought forward this lawsuit, saying they're concerned about the effects Proposition A could have on the economy, but some small businesses stepped up to defend it.
1953.
Joe Chevalier, owner of Yellow Dog Bookshop in Columbia, is one of 5 small business owners who filed a brief to defend Proposition A.
I supported Prop A back in the fall, and I still support it now.
Proposition A, passed by voters in November, will gradually raise the minimum wage to $15 an hour and require employers to provide paid sick leave.
Give workers a better chance to have the money they need to pay rent, to buy groceries, to spend in their communities.
The Missouri Supreme Court heard arguments today in the lawsuit against the proposition. The lawsuit, filed by several business groups, claims the ballot language was misleading, and it's unconstitutional for a single ballot measure to address both paid sick leave and minimum wage.
Voters were misled because when they go into the polling place, they get to see one thing on their ballot, and that's the official ballot title.
They present zero evidence that any of the claimed errors had any effect on the election, let alone an outcome determinative effect.
With sweeping success at the polls, lawyers for the state say there is no proof these concerns made any difference. But the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry has a contingency plan in their fight against Prop A. A bill that would stop the paid sick leave part of Prop A from going into effect needs only one more vote to pass out of the Missouri House.
There is no other state policy that is more detrimental to Missouri's employers and our economy.
But Chevalier says putting employees first makes a small business competitive.
Because I believe in supporting my workers, and I want to lose them to someone who's got a higher wage going.
The court is now weighing the arguments. Paid sick leave is set to go into effect May 1st if the court does not rule before then. Reporting in Jefferson City, I'm Hannah Falcon.